Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning the week of June 15th to the 21st, which is Father's Day. And I'm using this kit from Simply Watercolor Co. I'm so excited because this week is also a collab with my dear friend Rachel, who is GatheredPlans on YouTube. And I'll have her video linked in the description box below so you guys can check out her video if you have not seen it already. If you are new coming over to my channel from her channel, hi, I hope you enjoy this video. So this is the kit that we are using this week, and on this page we have the full boxes, which are foiled with gold foil. So beautiful. And then on this page we have the bottom washi, date covers, some layering icons, half boxes, foiled headers, bow headers, a full box checklist, some more boxes, some little circle icons, those are cute, scripts, kiss cut icons. And then on this page we have the other strip, this second strip from the bottom washi, lots more boxes, which is so perfect for my planning style. And I really like the fact that we have both squared off and rounded edges. And then to do in today headers, which I don't use as much or at all. Very unlikely those will be used in this spread. On this page we have some more sidebar stickers, some more layering stickers, deco stickers, habit trackers. Oh, super cute little, are these like third boxes? I love the size on those, so cute. A build-do sticker. These little bow clip boxes are pretty signature to Simply Watercolor Co. She does those a lot and they're so adorable. I love this whole clipboard. And then we've got some more printed headers here. So excited to get started doing this spread. Let's go ahead and start putting down some stickers. So if you'd like to see how this spread comes out, please just keep watching. So I'm going to get started as I usually do by placing down my base, which includes the bottom washi, date covers, then move on into my sidebar. Rachel and I decided for this plan with me to do a Q&A for our voiceovers, and I came up with the theme of a would you rather themed sort of question and answer for us to do. And initially this felt like a good idea. So fun fact. Okay, so a couple weeks back for one of her plan with me's, Rachel had asked in her IG stories for questions. And I was like, oh, it'll be fun for me to send her this would you rather type question because I know how she's obsessed with both sushi and coffee. And I knew that forcing my friend to try to pick between the two of them would make her go nuts. I thought it was going to be funny and it felt like a good idea until we then decided to do a collab plan with me with the same type of would you rather theme, which was going great because I was the one making up the questions originally. But then I started telling her, what we were doing, and she was like, oh my God, I have some questions. And her fiance started making up questions, and I was just like, oh wow. Her first question that she made up that she added to the list, I was just like, seriously, why would you do that to me? It made me want to just like freak out and throw my planner out the window. It was such a difficult question. So let's get into these. I'm going to try to stay calm and not panic and freak out. In hindsight, I brought this upon myself, but let's go. All right. Question number 1. Would you rather use an A5 wide size or B6 size planner? I think I'm going to go with A5 wide because I think I've just been using that size the longest and I'm most used to it. I really do love the B6 size, but I think A5 wide. Next question, would you rather watch movies or only TV for the rest of your life? I think I might have to go with movies, and this is because I am like a crazy Avengers fan, and I can't imagine not being able to watch an Avengers movie ever again. So I'm gonna go with movies, and plus I have like a whole bunch of rom-com movies too. So yeah, I'm gonna go with movies, which makes me sad because that means I would not be able to see Scandal for the rest of my life, or Grey's Anatomy. Oh wow, there's a lot of TV shows I would be really sad. Oh my God, or This Is Us. Oh, wow, that sucks. Okay, I'm sticking with movies, but that was a difficult question. Next, would you rather be stranded on an island or never take another vacation ever again in life? I would rather be stranded on an island. I cannot function without at some point in my life stopping to do just the mundane day-to-day things without having a vacation in there. There has to be one. YouTube or Instagram? Oh, YouTube. God, that was hard. And these are still the ones that I made up. Jesus. Okay, I'm terrified when I get to Rachel's questions. Next question. Would you rather have gold or rose gold foil? Rose gold foil. That one's easy. Rose gold for sure. Oh, okay. We're here. This is where Rachel's questions kick in, and she like went to town. She made up way more questions than I did. And this first one, I just was like, why would you do that to me? Would you rather use either tweezers or whiteout? And I can't function in my planner without tweezers or whiteout because of the way that I plan. It is just incredibly cruel to make me choose between the two of these because I need both of them. They are so essential to my planning. Okay, with my fingers, it's like way easier to have my tweezers because I do a lot of layering in my planning style. And so I take my tweezers and I can like hold things out in front of the page and like hold stickers on top of each other and get a visual of how they look before I stick them together and stick them down on the page, and I can get an idea of what I'm doing. But I don't always like to have my full boxes inside of like the box sections on my planner. And so because I have kind of a little bit more of a freeform format to my planning, a lot of times the lines that separate the columns into 3 rows either get covered up by like a divider or something where I need the whiteout so that line's not showing, and I just want the white space there. So I need whiteout in my life. I'm gonna choose the tweezers and then go somewhere and cry because she should not have made me answer this question. Next, would you rather lose your sense of taste or sense of smell? Sense of smell can go. I want to be able to taste things, although I think the sense of smell helps enhance your sense of taste, unless I'm wrong about that. Would you rather only be able to whisper or only be able to shout? I'll only be able to whisper. I am way too shy. I'm not the type of person who like publicly can be loud. That it just, oh my God, it's just drawing way too much attention to me. I will freak out and start sweating and just like have a full-on panic attack like a crazy person. I cannot draw that much attention to myself in a crowd in public spaces. So absolutely, I'd rather only be able to whisper. Would you rather have loud, uncontrollable sneezing or silent, uncontrollable gas? What? I swear, I think her fiance came up with this question. Let's go with silent, uncontrollable gas, because then I could just pretend it was someone else because it's silent, and then maybe people might not know it was me. And again, if I'm sneezing loudly and can't control it, then I've drawn too much attention to myself, and I'm just not that bold a person. Okay. Next, would you rather never be able to get your nails or hair done ever again? This one is not a difficult question for me because it says be able to get your hair or nails done, which makes me think like have someone else do it. And I do my own nails and I do my own hair. So that is so easy. It doesn't matter either one. I don't have to have them done by someone else, except however, my feet. I do get my feet done. I go get a pedicure because that's just my thing. It's my me time. It makes me feel special. I love it. But for my nails, I do those myself. But if I had to choose, I would never get my hair done again. I'm super picky. Like, I don't like having other people do my nails, but I absolutely do not like having other people do my hair. So, yeah, that was a really easy one. Would you rather lose all your teeth or all your hair? No. Oh, I need both. I need both of those, please. Jesus. Okay. uh, well, I need teeth to eat, and because I smile a lot, but I also like, you know what? I can get a cute wig. Bye to the hair. I'm gonna keep my teeth. I'm gonna pick my teeth on this one because you know what? I could wear a hat. I could wear a scarf. I could wear a wig. I mean, obviously, I guess you could get dentures or fake teeth, but okay, you know what? Thinking of it like that, if I have the option to get fake teeth, then I'm gonna get some fake teeth and keep my hair. Yeah, okay, wow. That question really makes me feel very vain. It exposed my level of vanity to myself that I didn't realize I had before I was forced to answer that question. Thanks, Rachel. Next one. Would you rather be able to run as fast as a cheetah or fly as slow as a tortoise? Oh. So run fast or fly, but fly slowly. I'm not super great with heights, so think I'd rather run fast, but then, flying does seem cool. I gotta say, this is a really tricky question because these two options make me feel like this is some sort of like a superpower. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm a little bit of a comic book movie nerd, and so this feels like one of those opportunities, like, Spider-Man, you get bit by a spider, then you have all these awesome powers. I now have the opportunity to choose, can I be as fast as a cheetah, or in my head I'm thinking, okay, you could be the Flash or you could fly. I can't think of a superhero that like flies super slowly, but flying is a thing that I just don't do, which makes me feel like you can't give up the opportunity to fly. It seems like one of those cool things that everyone should be able to want to do. I'm gonna fly as slow as a tortoise, and I think that might be the thing that makes it work for me, because I'm flying slowly, so I don't have to be afraid, because I think like flying really fast through the air would scare the crap out of me. So I'm not that great with heights, but I think if I was flying slow, I could be okay. Would you rather only be able to write in your planners with a crayon or a highlighter? Jesus, God, no. Oh, crap. Oh, I am way too picky about my handwriting. No. Ew. Oh, Rachel. Our friendship is dying on this question right here, right now. This is where it ends. I'm just kidding. I love you, but why would you do this to me? No. Crayon. I hate life. Ugh. Next question. Would you rather have edible spaghetti hair that regrows every night or sweat maple syrup? This is definitely her fiance. Let's sweat maple syrup. That feels like such a gross, disgusting. No, because then you'd constantly be sticky. Okay, spaghetti hair. Let's do the spaghetti hair. I can't just be sticky all the time. That's gross. Would you rather have constant dry eyes or a runny nose? Oh, I just have that commercial running through my head. Dry eyes. Let's go with the dry eyes, and I just need to go get some of what is that, Visine or those eye drops that you put in your eyes, and just constantly have to put stuff in my eyes, which would not be bad for me. I'm weird in that way. I think a lot of people have like issues touching their eyes, and I'm one of those people who like, I'll stick my finger in my eyeballs and just like not think a thing about it. Briefly, very, very briefly wore contacts for a very short period in my life, and it was just like no big thing to just like reach into my eyeball and touch it. So I'm okay with doing things to help soothe my eyes if they're dry, like putting stuff on it. It wouldn't bother me. But having a constant runny nose would be annoying. So thank you so much for these awesome questions, Rachel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this plan with me. If you have not seen her plan with me yet, make sure you head over to her channel to check it out. I can't wait to go myself and find out what her answers to these questions are, because this was crazy fun. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're having an amazing day and staying safe. See you next video. Bye.